So here's how you can turn off the Instagram map on your iPhone. Let's get started. So the best way how I would approach this is by opening up the settings app of your iPhone, and entirely at the bottom we have the apps section. From the apps right here, just look up Instagram, or you can manually scroll through it. But when you go to the Instagram, at the top of the page, we have the location settings. And if you don't like anything regarding the map or your location being visible, you can tap on the location section right here and choose from 4 options. So you might have it on always, while using the app, ask, next time, or never. So if you don't ever want to use it, click on never, and the app, Instagram app, will never be able to access your location. So that might be useful for a lot of people. Or if you really need that, then perhaps choose while using the app, but I don't think that you need to have it set to always. But of course, it is up to you. Ask next time or when I share is a good idea if you want to decide it then once you open up the app and you don't know now, right? That might be a good choice there as well. So this is how I would turn any of the map functions within Instagram. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.